Welcome back to the channel, and today I am diving into the new release of Hello Engineer, which now has the tagline Scrap Machines Constructor. It used to just be called Hello Engineer Demo because I was playing just the demo, but as of the 17th, which should be when you're watching this video if you're watching it on the release day, the game actually comes out officially. So I wanted to dive in and see what has changed, what is new with the game. And there is actually quite a bit that has already changed just from like going into the main menu. There's a new mode called Creators Mode, which seems pretty interesting. But what I've done is I dove back into the story mode because I need to relearn how to build in this game. And I've played the story mode up until the point where it has now diverged from my initial story mode experience. Now there is a level that I do not recognize where it looks like we're gonna have to be doing some roller coaster stuff here. And you can see even off further in that direction, there's like some other roller coaster-y thing going on around a bend. So this seems like pretty fun, and I wanted to get this on. Video so that you guys could see it and experience it with me, because this is going to be my first time experiencing this. The first few levels of the tutorial are pretty much identical to my initial video where I went through the tutorial. So if you want to see what you've missed, if this is your first time seeing this game, you can check that video out. That way, I'm not just showing you the same stuff over and over again. Okay, so we got to build a car out of library modules, load the bending frame module, and the sliding pole from the library. So over here we have a library, and then we have modules. So these two I just unlocked at the end of the last part of the tutorial. So first I'm going to load the basic car stuff because we have to build a car that's going to be going through here. So then I will also load the wheels. I'll actually load another one of those. We're going to have front wheels. Oh, wait, did it just... Oh, okay, there is a duplicate. It loads it in the same exact spot. So a little brief quick overview in case you're not familiar to this game at all. You can build vehicles kind of similar to how we build in other games like Trailmakers and Scrap Mechanic, but it does have its own unique aspects of building and how the build system works. So let me go ahead and attach this. So where you grab it is where you're going to also be attaching it. So I kind of want the engines to be facing in towards the car. So then if I grab this part on the top, I can attach it right there. And then I can use my wire tool to wire this up to W and S. And it looks like the rotation is going in the correct direction for these wheels. All right. So now I grab this, I can change the axis of rotation, and then I will also have these engines, the bulky part of the engine, face towards the middle like that. Wire this up so I've got all-wheel drive. So now I should have a functioning vehicle. You can see I can steer. I am realizing though, oh, the back wheels are going in the wrong direction, I believe. Hold on a second here. All right, yeah, so if you look at this is clearly rotating. Oh, wait a minute, that's rotating in both directions. I can't actually see what direction the engines are supposed to be rotating, but it feels like they're rotating in the wrong direction, so I can just go reverse polarity. And now, yeah, now it feels right. However, I don't like my wheelbase. So this is an interesting thing about this game, and I don't know how smooth this is gonna go because I am kind of new to it. But if I select this and go to the action menu, I can then resize this part. And it looks like it doesn't want to why doesn't it want to let me do it? Probably because my back wheels are in the way, huh? If I do this and then resize the part, and now I take the this. All right, so there, attach that to the top. Then I take the seat, attach that to the top. All right, now let me just rehook up all of the wheels. Oh, and the steering now because I disconnected that. All right, now I should have, I hope, a longer car that feels a little bit more natural. Okay, so now I've got to load the bending frame module and the sliding pole. So this is the sliding pole. This is, let's do the, oh no. The bending frame is an alternate entire frame for the car that I was supposed to use as my default. I built a car out of library modules first, and then I went to step 2. I was supposed to do step 1 with step 2 and 3 apparently. Okay, well now you got a brief introduction about how to build and modify a basic car. Now let's just move on to step 2. Okay, load the bending frame and then load the sliding pole module. Okay, sliding pole module. Don't understand what I'm supposed to, you gotta be more specific. Wait, is there a tutorial? Like sometimes there's tutorial things. Watch level overview. See, so this is what the level looks like. There's all kinds of rails and stuff. Where does this go? This looks like, so this is like a rotation thing right here. So it looks like this is going to rotate up and catch on the poles. So I'll grab here and I'll attach it right there. Okay, so now I'm gonna spawn this in without wheels and oh, I gotta hook it up first. So configure. So now I have, this seat has arrows. So up and down I feel like makes sense for whatever this is gonna do. Okay, so now when I spawn it in and I press the up. What? Interesting. My wheels are also gonna do a thing. So by default, it is in that up direction. That feels like kind of wrong right now. I feel like it should be down by default, but steering is also already there. Okay, so now I got to attach wheels. And this looks like it's gonna have me do it manually instead of spawning in a wheel module, because this wheel module already has way too much, like these are wheel attachment points that are also gonna fold. So I can do a block pipe like this, and then let me resize it. So it is a little bit shorter. All right, so now I need a shaft block. This is what allows things to rotate freely within this shaft block. And then I can use a rod, which will rotate within the shaft block. And then I use a wheel. Is a medium wheel gonna be good? There we go. How do I do this? If I copy that, then that just copies that single piece. I wonder if I can copy a group. Can I group pieces together? All right, well, they make it easy enough to copy one part at a time. Okay, I don't have engines. I didn't put engines on this thing. Totally forgot about engines. All right, I think this is gonna be my first time actually applying engines to something. I have to, how do I do this? I can disconnect that, and then I just attach an engine to that rod. So now that engine should rotate this rod. I think that's how that works. Okay, I am having trouble. I don't know if it's just I haven't figured it out or if the game doesn't have an option, but I want to be able to choose which end I'm resizing, because right now I'm resizing the end that I do not want to be longer. So it'd be really cool if I could move that. So if I start from here, okay. All right, I'm starting to learn a little bit. It seems like where you start the resize changes. Let's just see if rear wheel drive is adequate, and also hope that I even have this going or working correctly. All right, so reverse polarity of that, reverse polarity of that. And do I have a functional vehicle now? Oh no, what did I do? So what happens if I go? I've misunderstood something about the build system. Let's spawn in the blueprint of the working wheels and figure it out. Oh, so the engines have to be attached to a stationary point. Unsnap that part, and then I just attach the engine there. And then I just put this inside the engine. Now, do I have a functional vehicle? Ooh, look at that. Okay, so now I can put this down. Oh, that's kind of cool. It literally lifts like the whole... lowers the whole car down. So now I can do this. Oh, that was actually really fun. All right. These engines are not really that powerful. Go, 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 go. Go. I didn't even need the rod for that part. I feel like the rod didn't even touch. Am I gonna be able to survive this? Yeah, I should be able to survive this. All right, this is cool. I like this a lot. All right, here we... Nope. No, okay, well, that was kind of pathetic, but I'm down here, aren't I? I made it. I made it and I'm alive. Oh boy, we got some more. Hold on. I can't, the camera automatically, it's a follow camera. Hold on, camera mode. This is top, no, it's still a follow camera. I need an orbit camera that stays where I might face my camera. All right, there we go. We go under, and we bring it back up, and then we just gotta stay straight with the thing. There we go. All right. Well, that was rocky, but I made it. There was a lot of learning process there. What did I do? What is that? Is that a suspension thing? Okay, so now I don't know what to expect next. This could be a level that I did in the first video, or... Okay. Oh, this is different. I don't recognize that. What is this? What does that mean? I haven't seen a finish line pop up like, whoa, what? Wait, now there's multiple, oh wait, no, those are all my buddies. This is multiplayer compatible. Load I need the bending frame again. Build the bending car. What is the bending car? Okay, this is all definitely new to me. Okay, I'm loading the bending frame. Why am I building the bending car? I would like to see what I need. Okay, so I definitely need a car that goes... Oh, okay. So from what I can gather from that description and based off of my previous experience with this, there was a car that I had to drive that was really tall because I had to go over these obstacles. But now you can see I need to be able to go under obstacles as well. So if I build a tall car with a bending frame, it can be tall and then the wheels can bend out to be short again. Whew, this is definitely a little bit more difficult to build to kind of get things going than I'm used to. Because they're just like the way that you attach engines, it's like very... A lot of that stuff is kind of done for you in games like Scrap Mechanic and Trailmakers. This one, you have to attach the engine to a rod that rotates the wheel rather than just hooking up the engine to the wheel or slapping an engine down. So a little bit more technical. How do I... All right, here we go. So I need tall stuff. So I'm going to go with the block pipe. And I do that. And then I got to resize. Okay, see, no, I don't want to resize in that direction. So if I go from there and resize, okay. It resizes away from your starting point. So how tall do I need to be? Is that tall enough to get over that? It looks like I need to be maybe even taller. All right, so now I got a smart idea maybe. I'm gonna disconnect this. Yeah. And then I'm gonna build the whole engine assembly off of this. And then I think I'll be able to duplicate it as a group. Oh, I forgot that the engine attaches like on the bottom. Okay, hold on. I don't need this to be that tall then. All right, and then engine attaches there. All right, and then wheel. There we go. Okay, so now can I duplicate all of this? There has to be a way to duplicate groups like this. I just don't know it yet. Okay, so that should be tall enough. So now I'm just gonna do the same for the other wheels. All right, I think I got everything hooked up. Let's see how it feels. So I hate that steering when the steering is in the middle of the axle instead of on each wheel. But it looks like everything rolls. So how is this? Plenty of clearance. So now when I press the up arrow... Oh boy, that's not the direction. Okay, let's press the down arrow to go down. Oh, steering actually kind of works too. I guess that is one benefit of this type of axle, or this steering, is it actually works in the folded position. Oh boy, I'm not gonna be fast enough, am I? Oh, okay, that's kind of cool. Actually, this car is actually kind of awesome. Oh boy, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Woo! All right, that wasn't so bad. Now, do I gotta do this? I'm gonna do it. I am barely wide enough for this. I did not get the memo. Oh, I didn't even realize I was going over something there. All right, and now fold down, and then this is the end. All right, this folding mechanism is actually kind of fun. It didn't actually show me how to make it. What am I doing? Hello. That's me, by the way. That's what I look like in real life. Oh, wait, you can actually see me. Now, where are we going? So by this, like, by the time I got to where you guys started this video, I was in, like, a completely different map, like a desert kind of environment. So all of this is very, very different. Getting a little bit of lore going on here. There are a bunch of kids sneaking into someplace we probably shouldn't be. Why? Why are we here, though? What's our motivation for risking our lives like this? Yeah, don't... Nah, you're gonna... Oh. Okay. 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 Alright, I don't actually have any audio on this for some reason. I turned the in-game music off, but it seems like that's also affecting the cutscenes, unfortunately. Alright, so we ran off into... was it just me or was that illegible? Ah, yeah, here we go. So this is the area that I was in, at the end of the last video. Gears help increase the power, lower speed is better. Okay, so gears. Yeah, so now we have access to geared wheels. So yeah, this is where the game can get really, really complicated if you let it, because now you can see we've got the engine spinning this rod, which is then a small gear is attached to that rod. Which is then attached to a large gear, which then spins the rod that is spinning the wheel. All right, so let me go ahead and attach these, build a basic car here using the geared wheels. I am very thankful that it gives me a modular load-in for these things, so I don't have to try to figure this whole gear system out all on my own. All right, so now I've got geared wheels all hooked up, which should they should be very powerful. and not really stop. However, my wheelbase is terrible. All right, but this should hopefully get us to the end of the challenge, wherever the end of the challenge is. All right, looks like the neighbor's gonna mess with us now. All right, he's pulling switches, and okay. Oh, there we go. I remember this now. Yep. Okay, so now we're in the mud. Yeah, so this game has mud physics, which is actually kind of interesting, and it looks like my vehicle is absolutely terrible for this. I think I'm going to actually swap these wheels out. All right, so in the wheels, I have these large wheels, so check this out. I don't even remember, is this what I did in the other video? All right, so I just went back and looked at my other video, and turns out I just dealt with the terrible performance of the other vehicle. Let's see how this feels. We should have, you know, we should have the really strong gear ratio. So, should be able to handle these wheels. Okay, it's doing not as good as I was expecting, to be honest. All right, this should do really, really well on the mud section here. Why aren't the back wheels spinning hardly? Is there something wrong with the settings on the back wheels? There is something wrong with the settings on the back wheels. Okay, that explains it. They're not hooked up because I disconnected. Okay, that explains a lot. Now it should actually behave the right way. I really expected this thing to do so much better than that, and I was so confused, and now I know why. Oh boy, yeah, see, now look at how much power this thing has. Ooh, we were just front wheel drive through mud. Yeah, no way. No way. All right, now let's see how this thing performs. There we go. Oh my god, it's too much. Too much almost. Look at, whoa, we're going so far down. That was no problem at all. I think from what the little glimpses I looked at in the last video, I think I'm doing way better, having a much better time on this than I did in the last time. Oh, okay. Okay, hold on. Hold on here. Let's not fall. Okay. Yeah, the physics is a little bit weird when it comes to steering sometimes. Sometimes it feels like I shift. Okay, look at all those gears. Off-road steering wheel. See, that's pretty much what I just made, isn't it? All right, we got some more cutscenes coming up. Pretty sure these are the same cutscenes from when I played this last as well. Yeah, I think this was the last level of the previous one. Yeah, so this level is where the demo ended last time. So let's get through this level and see if there's more to it. Use off-road steering wheels to build a car, ride through the obstacles to the finish line. Okay, so this time I'm gonna plan ahead instead of just using the default frame and building off of that as is and then realizing I made a mistake. I am actually going to start off by resizing the frame, so I have a much more natural wheelbase for this, especially for the size of the wheels that I'm going to be using. Okay, so now I have modules. I have the off-road steering wheel. Oh, so now the steering is built into the wheel itself, so I don't need this anymore. All right, let's see what needs to be reversed. All right, so it looks like the right side wheels and then the rear steering need to be adjusted. So yeah, right side wheels, reverse polarity. There we go. Am I too wide? I'm like almost too wide. I'm pretty sure I had a pretty hard experience last time on doing this. Let's get a feel for what these are gonna be like. 1, 2, all right, go. These ones are easy. They're supposed to be the easier ones, but as you can see, I'm upside down. Okay, I'm also gonna change the power of these up. I don't know if I wanna be lower to the ground. It's also kind of nice to be able to have my wheels touch the ground and not bottom out on those, but at the same time, yeah. Dang it. What I was saying, at the same time, I don't want to be likely to flip over. Oh, come on. I feel like I'm a little bit too wide. I think I am just a little bit too wide. Up, up, and then go. I could have gone quicker. All right, what are these ones doing? Up, up. Okay, let me just go on this side only. All right, there we go. Okay, now these ones. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa, that was like no problem. If I remember correctly, I was stuck there for a while when I did this last. Oh no, I have fast wheels. I need to be slow for mud. Slow is better for mud. You don't get a lot of traction if you have a really fast engine. And I maxed my engines out so I could get quickly over those obstacles, but I barely made it over. Let's hope the mud isn't gonna be an issue after this. And it looks like this is the last section. Oh no, there's mud right before it. Go, 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 go. Okay. Oh no. All right, my wheelbase. I gotta correct my wheelbase. So I will resize this by like 2 or 4. Okay, so now clearly that is not That's not wide enough. Now, how does it look? See, that looks like a better size. Okay, I think I'm gonna be able to deal with that wheelbase. All right, everything is good. Now this time, I'm gonna lower the engine speed down to... I'm gonna go down to 100. Why do I still feel kind of wide? I thought this was like barely wide enough. Okay, here we go. I waited too long. Ugh. Whoa, no way! Yeah. Oh, no! I can't believe I did like that epic somersault over these ones, and now it's gonna ruin it, maybe? All right, 2, and then 3. All right, go, 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 go. Yes! All right, I just got so lucky there. Now the question is, can I get through the mud easier? I have so much more traction, even though I'm still, you know, in middle-high speed. Now I feel like I should have kept those extra 2 blocks that I went down, because look, my wheels are like right at the edges, but it looks like it widens out. Okay, this is good. This is okay right now. I'm okay with this. All right, go, 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 go. All right, that I feel like went way smoother than the last time I tried it. So now it said hello neighbor demo was over. So now there is a next level. What is the next level? Okay, this is all new stuff here. Dampers help you overcome road bumps. All right, do I have a damper blueprint now? Modules. Here we go, damper wheels. All right, let's figure out how this is built. You can see we've got this part here, like a spring. So you just, instead of attaching a pipe, you attach a spring. So then you did like this workaround to just make the engine not stick out as much. Okay, I mean, it seems pretty straightforward. These wheels look interesting though. What kind of wheels are these? Do I have access to these? Donut wheel, sugar-coated, medium-sized wheel with a hard surface, good for off-roading. All right, well, let's get 2 things of damper wheels in here. And let's go with a simple frame. Attach this to the front set of damper wheels, right in the middle. Attach the middle of this to the back set. Hook up the engines, and I think we're pretty much good to go. All right, look at this. So now it's my first time dealing with these dampers and the suspension. So what is this all about? What is this course gonna be like? Pretty smooth so far. Ah, here we go. Some rocks here. All right. This doesn't feel too bad. Yeah, the dampers make this feel so much better. All right, we got a train shoe. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I see what you're doing here. Ah, these engines. That is one kind of weird thing I don't like about the build system. And Hello Neighbor is the fact that the engines are just so bulky, and like each wheel looks like it needs an engine. I guess you could probably, if you wanted to get really complicated, where am I going here? You could probably build like an actual drive shaft with the gears and stuff and have one engine end up powering multiple wheels, but I have no idea. Like, that's a little over my... What? You didn't know? No, that's not supposed to happen. Hey, I guess you gotta be careful. Don't drive too fast into stuff. There's damage. I knew that. I remember... Well, I didn't know that. I just remember that I did know that, and now I was reminded. That's just a roundabout way of saying I forgot that there was damage. Okay, here we go. So this... Oh. No, it's actually kind of nice. I could just go up on it when it's like this. Oh, here we go. No! Wait, how do I do that then? All right, I feel like whatever that shortcut is, I don't know if it's a shortcut or like a special Easter egg thing, but I have to get up there. I gotta see what's up there. Clearly it's something special, but I think I have to time this right where I got my speed when it's flat, and then it kind of tosses me up like a jump. Okay, here we go. All right, I'm just going for it. No. Yes. Oh, I was so close. Oh, it's a whole muddy portion. I can just kind of skip the muddy portion, it looks like. That's probably what this is for, and I'm just wasting a bunch of time trying to do it, but you got to go the harder way if there's like another way to go. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Come on, come on, come on. There it is. That was perfect. Okay. Whoa. Whoa, my wheels are doing weird things on the wood here. Wait, wait, wait. What's this? Hold on. I can't look to the left. Should I go to the left? Yeah, I have my wheels are in the reverse orientation compared to what they should be if I actually want to be good at off-roading. All right, what is this way now? There's 2 different jumps. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, it looks like they were just... Oh, no, 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 no! Ugh. This is really annoying to have to restart all the way back here, but... I really need this to just be flipped around. And that problem is now solved, because now you can see the wheels are sticking out past the engines rather than this sticking out past the wheels. And I will also do that for the back. All right, now I should be a much better off-roader. Come on, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, no. Okay, all right, I'm just gonna try to go through the mud then. See, the problem is my wheels are on maximum speed, but this isn't all mud. There's stuff in between the mud, which is good. Okay, that wasn't bad at all. This doesn't look too bad. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad at all. I think I'm okay with this. Whoa. I'm just gonna go. These are like little tiny bumps. Whew. Okay, that wasn't too bad. All right, I'm okay with this. Oh, no. All right, see, now this is... I actually hate this the most because the engines get caught on these sometimes, but I did good that time. All right, do I go full speed? I'm gonna go full speed. Yeah, I got dampers. I can go full speed over this stuff now without flipping over. These are massive donut wheels, by the way. Where are they coming from? Who made these donuts? Are they real? Okay. Okay, okay, I don't know where I'm going. No! You gotta be kidding me. Oh, 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 oh! There's a chance. I just gotta get my seat into there. I'm slowly moving my seat in that direction. If I turn around, I think I can do this. Look at this. No, this is not gonna take it. There we go. Nailed it. I'm an expert. Oh, we got some buttons and stuff now. Grip, a module to grab and move different objects. A timer with delay and duration, push button, and a toggle switch. All right, we're getting some programmable stuff now. Okay, so that looks like a new blueprint. What is this? Okay, build a grip, grab TNT with it, move it to the destruction site, and activate. Oh, this is a help thing. You can grab TNT with a vehicle and carry it. Put TNT on cross near blockage and explode it. When on foot, you can detonate it by... F. Okay. Run away and save your life. All right, let me look at this grip to see what exactly it's shaped like. So it'll grip like that. Okay, it also goes up. You can see there's that rotation thing there. See, I don't want it to be attached here because this is after the steering. So I kind of want it to have its own attachment that is separate from steering. So I think to do that, I can just build on top of here, build out in this direction, build out in this direction, and then resize there. And actually, that might be a good attachment. Wait, where's the TNT? There's the TNT. All right, I need to figure out how tall I'm gonna be off the ground. Let's put wheels on this thing first. I'm gonna go with the damper wheels. Okay, so now I want this to be roughly, I want it to be like this high off the ground. All right, so that means I want something like this. Oh, that's gonna connect down there too. Is it really? So it looks like it automatically welded this to that. You can see that there's that attachment point. Okay, so then I'll just extend that by one more and then reattach it right there. So now I can attach this. Hold on, let me actually put this on the ground. Can I build to this when it's on the ground? Oh, I cannot. Well, let me just keep it at that height then. I want this to be that high. Okay, so now for controls. First, hook up the engines. Now to go up and down. This seat doesn't have up and down controls. 8 interactive buttons, 4 interactive buttons, 4 interactive buttons. Okay, I actually need this seat instead. So let's remove this seat and let's attach this seat. Simple enough. Just gotta rehook everything up again. Okay, so now to go up and down, we will use the up and down arrows. And then to open and close, we will use the left and right arrows. So now let's see how the programming feels. All right, so steering is good. Forward and backwards is good. Up, down. So interesting thing, these are not on toggle. They are on, I have to hold the button. So open, left is open, and let go is close. I kind of like that. All right, let's see here. Am I wide enough for this? Barely. Okay, open, close, lift it up. Whoa, boy. Whoa, boy. Whoa, boy. Okay. Oh, boy. Oh, Steve, my engines are getting stuck on the rocks. Okay, here we go. Here we go. All right, and then... Oh, wait, open it. Open it. Ah! I thought I was dead. Okay. All right, let's keep going. Where am I going? Okay, there's the finish line. Whoo! That was kind of scary. It said to run for my life, but it also said I was supposed to use, like, detonate it on foot or something, but it just automatically went. What is this? A dump truck. Transport your goods intact with this clever dump truck. Oh boy, he's angry. He is angry. Oh, that's a long way to go. All right, there's more TNT over there. Do you see this? Is this a crane system? Oh, that's so cool. Okay, man, it's kind of weird. The buildings, like the structures in this are so different than what I'm used to that like I would have never imagined building something like this in this game yet, but seeing it, it's like, oh yeah, that makes a lot of sense. You just put a steering, oh, it's on an engine. Okay, yeah, it's just very different than what I'm used to. Build a dump truck module and connect it to your car. Should I have a car module by now where like I can just save my car as a blueprint? I don't think probably should have been doing that, huh? I haven't been doing that. Let me know if you guys want to see me continue on with the story campaign or check out other aspects of this game because now it is officially out. So that means you guys can actually play it as well. There are still other aspects to it like multiplayer and creators mode, which have different things going on in them. But I just really wanted to continue on with the story mode and see what other kind of things and features were going to become available to me. But now it wants us to have a dump truck with a whole dump truck module. You want a quick preview? So, wow. If I had to guess, yeah, okay, so this is the back of it here. This entire rod here rotates. Yep, I can see now, yeah, that entire rod thing rotates. It's attached to that right there. So it is going to lift this whole thing up, and then there's more rotating stuff going on up there. Okay, there's a lot. There's a lot on this. Oh, there's buttons too. Wait, if I spawn it in. Whoa! Yeah, so that's what makes it rotate and tip. But it has a whole door at the opening at the top too. That's pretty cool. All right, so if you want to see more of this, let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, you'll probably enjoy some more that you can find right here on the end screen. Hope this video has earned your subscription. Anyway, this has been ScrapMan, and I'll see you next time. Bye.